Hi, I'm Jeff Hale with Chemical Coaters Association International. I'm here with a quick tip on how to clean your gun. Whether it's for color change or just regular maintenance, cleaning your gun is something that should be done and performed on a regular basis. When cleaning your gun, there are some simple steps to employ. First, start by disconnecting the powder hose from the gun. Next, inspect the gun and determine if there's any residual powder that may be building up inside. If not, proceed by taking the blow-off gun and inserting it into the bottom of the gun using compressed air to blow the powder through the gun. As the powder blows through, it comes out the end and you're cleaning the powder path. If additional cleaning is required, then next you would want to remove the nozzle sleeve, remove the electrode and nozzle, inspect the nozzle for any wear or impacted powder. If necessary, take the nozzle and the electrode holder apart, inspect for any wear or powder that would need to be cleaned, and then use the compressed air to blow off each item individually. Once the powder is removed, assemble the pieces together and set them aside. Now inspect the gun, looking for any powder buildup that may be left inside the gun. If necessary, use the brush that is supplied by the manufacturer, cleaning the inside of the barrel as well as the inside of the handle. That powder path can be free and clear of powder. Use any compressed air necessary to blow out residual powder that may be left behind. Once that has been cleaned and you're satisfied with the appearance of the gun, install the nozzle and electrode holder, reinstall the nozzle sleeve, install the powder hose, and you're ready to go. Hopefully this tip will help you to extend the life of your powder coating gun.